Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through all the choose the correct options, that is tick the correct answers. We will go through all from chapter 1 to 5 because today I will take a revision test of these tick the correct answers. So from chapter 1 to chapter 5 I will go through all the tick the correct answers, that is choose the correct options. It is written in your book, but in exam we will get it tick the correct options. Okay, so you will do this, and students, only few students only show me the revision test, while others are not showing it. You just show it that and start learning because exam is very near. Okay, and complete all your work, whatever work you have incomplete, diagrams and all exercises in the book, spot check, learn all the spot checks also of SST from chapter 1 to 5, and 6th chapter is as it is already completed. After the exam we will start with the 7th chapter, not now, so that is why we are going through all the revision work nowadays. So let's get started with it. Okay, so students, this is the circle the correct option. A big consolidated land mass on earth that consisted of all the present day continents has been named as Pangaea or subcontinent. So it is Pangaea. Okay, all the land masses, all the areas. The third largest continent is South America or North America. So it is North America. South America or Europe has the shortest coastlines of all the continents. So it is South America. The largest ocean is the Pacific or Indian Ocean. So it is Pacific Ocean. The Southern or Indian Ocean provides the major sea routes of the world. So it is Indian Ocean. So this is your first chapter, circle the correct options. See, here it is written circle the correct options, but in the exam you will tick it. Like I tick you now. Whenever I give you in the book, I tick like this. So here it will be written tick the correct options. Okay, so you will tick it, you will not circle it. Then we come to chapter 2. Chapter 2, circle the correct options. How many lines of latitudes are there? So it is 181. Who circumnavigated the earth to prove that it is spherical in shape? Means who told that it is spherical in shape? So it is Ferdinand Magellan. Then which line of longitude is assumed to be crossing the Royal Observatory of Greenwich in Greenwich? So it is prime meridian. Which latitude is also called the Great Circle? So it is equator. See here, all the other latitudes which are going are small. Only the near the equator it is large. So it is called Great Circle. Then what is the network of intersecting line used to find the exact location of the place? Known as, so it is grid. When all these intersect each other, all these line latitude and longitude, they intersect each other, so they form a grid, they form a square. So that is grid. Then we come to the third chapter. In third chapter there is no circle the correct option. So we will go to the fourth chapter. In fourth chapter, circle the correct option is the navigational instrument invented by the Greeks helped in measuring latitude. So it was called astrolabe. The navigational instrument that Greeks invented. So it was called astrolabe. What did John Hadley invented? So he did not invent magnetic compass, he invented sextant. Then maps are two-dimensional. Then a magnetic compass is used for finding directions. So this is the fourth chapter. Then we come to the fifth one. Circle the correct options. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is known as means the outer layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. The lithosphere has landforms. All the lithosphere part has the landforms, be it mountain, be it plateau, plain area, all it is in the lithosphere. Then gas or water moves through the hydrosphere in a cycle, so it is water. Hydro means water. Then earth can be divided into 4 realms or spheres. How many? 4. Then hydrosphere or biosphere consists of all the living things on our planet, so it is biosphere. In biosphere we have all the living things. So students, these were the circle the correct options. So from this only I will give you the questions. I will give you 7 or 8. Tick the correct options and you will write the answers. You will write only the options in your rough copy. Why do you ask again which copy? You have to write it in your rough copy. Write the date, write revision test, tick the correct options and write the correct options only the answers. And then you give it to me in the group and I will check it. Okay. Suppose the lithosphere, atmosphere has landforms. So here it is, the answer is lithosphere. So you write first one is lithosphere. Like this and tick it. Tick like this and you give it to me. Okay.